Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is how to make the chevron ear warmer, and I'm using 4.5 mm hook and a 9 ply acrylic fiber yarn. To begin, we're going to make a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger and insert your hook and yarn over the other yarn, and then we're gonna make 8 chains. Let's count together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm gonna measure to show you how many inches that I have. Okay, so I have a little bit more than 2 inches, but it doesn't matter because we're not working on the one chain that is, more, I don't know how to explain. We're only working on 7 chains. Okay, so that gets us to 2 inches. So you're gonna skip the first chain and go over to the second and make a single crochet. Okay, but I'm gonna hide this tail along. It's not compulsory, but I just like to do it this way so that I don't have a lot of work to do at the end. Okay, so go ahead and make 3 single crochets in the next 3 spaces. So there's a third one. Now in the fourth one, we're going to make 3 single crochets in it, and this is the first one, the second one, the third. Okay, so this is what we have, and we have 3. You can put a stitch marker here if it will get you confused on the middle stitch of the 3 single crochet, but I'm not gonna put in mine. Okay, so go ahead and finish up the remaining 3 single crochets. So it is very easy to locate, and it's not like we have many stitches here, so it's just like, so we are done with the first row, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna measure to show you guys what I have right now. Okay, so I'm just going to stretch a little bit and leave it. So measuring, I have exactly 2 inches, which is what I really wanted. Okay, so we're going to continue for row 2. We're going to chain 1 and turn, and in the first space make 1 single crochet, but we're going to make decrease. So go into the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. For the next one, we are working on the back loop only, so going through the back loop and yarn over, pull through. Right now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all. So this is our first decrease, and go ahead working on the back loop, make 2 more single crochets, and in the next, which is the middle stitch, we are going to make 3 single crochet. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Now you're gonna make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, so you have 2 spaces left. You're gonna work on the back loop in this one, insert yarn over, pull through. The last one, you're working on both loops, insert yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. So this is our last decrease for this row, and this is what the second row look like. So every other row is going to be a repetition of the second row. So you just chain 1, turn, and make your decrease. Remember, the first and the last stitches are made in the both loop, but every other one is made in the back loop. We are doing it like this because it is a ribbed ear warmer, so that it could be stretchy. Okay, so I'm just going to continue repeating the second row. So here I have 2 stitches, 2 spaces left, or 2 stitches left. So I did my decrease, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's repeat it one more time, then I'll let you guys finish up. So chain 1 and turn, and yarn over, pull through, insert yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, make 2 single crochets on the back loop, and in the middle stitch make 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 single crochet on the back loop, 1 and 2. The third one, yarn over, pull through, insert on both loops, yarn over, pull through, I don't know about protruding loops. So you're gonna be repeating these until you have excuse me, until you have the exact length that you want. Okay, so I'm gonna continue doing mine until I also have the exact length that I want. I'm gonna come back when I'm done with mine to show you what to do next. Hey guys, so I'm here at the end of the 55th row and we're gonna do the next one together. So chain one and turn and make your decrease the normal way you do it. Okay, so after that we are going to make 5 single crochets in the next 5 spaces. In this row we are not going to make 3 double crochet, sorry, 3 single crochet up here again because we are trying to get back to the 7 stitches that we started with. So you make your last decrease and that gets you to 7 single crochets because we started with 7 single crochet and we're going to join it together. Okay, so this is what I have, and I have a total of 56 rows and I'm comfortable with what I have. So right now I'm gonna make a quick measurement to show you how many inches that I have, and I have exactly 21.5 inches. My aim is 22 inches, but because it's stretchy, when the person wear it, it's gonna lap. Okay, it's gonna be like a bodycon, you know what I'm saying? So to close up, you have to chain one and turn. Then we're gonna go into the boots loop of the first stitch and the boot loop of this other first stitch and make a slip stitch, tighten it, and we're gonna go into the back loop of the second stitch and also back loop of this other one. So this other one could be a little tricky because the loop is actually from chain while this one is from single crochet. It's more visible, but just try and find your way through it. Okay, it is very necessary that is on the front and back loops. Okay, so that it will really look the same with, you know, the other rows that we have. That's the reason why you have to try and be patient with it, even if it's tricky. Okay, so front loop of this one, oh my god, even myself is tricky and kind of hard, but I'm gonna go through it. So the next one, the last one in back loop and front loop, make a slip stitch. Then for the last one we are working on both loops, so going to the both loop and also this one on both loop. So you're going to the both loop and yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, tighten, chain one. Okay, so look at it, you won't even know this is where the closure is. So that is the reason why it have to be on the back and front loop. Okay, you don't have to work on both loops so that you get exactly this. Okay, so this is what we have. Our work is looking beautiful and I hope yours is looking beautiful as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my scissors and cut the yarn off because I'm done right here. Okay, so just grab my scissors and cut it off, then pull it out, tighten it. So you could hide the tail in here. I'm gonna do mine later, and this is me kind of rocking it and it's looking so beautiful. Okay, and this is it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.